Hello, Angela Albert with the Albert Real Estate Team. We've got the one and only Josh Bagby here. Josh, welcome.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. You're very welcome. So Josh, I get a lot of questions about insurance in general. One of the most popular questions that I get is, when should people start getting a quote for their homeowner insurance policy?
As soon as possible. You can do it in the shopping process. When you're scrolling through the apps and you're looking for somewhere that you think you might want to buy, go ahead and send it to your agent. And really all they need is the address and the age of the roof. And a lot of times it'll show. Most of the time the agent can kind of figure it out and get you a good ballpark number based on that. But with us, we run it through a software. We're a brokerage. We've got about a dozen carriers that we work with. We put it through, and the quotes can range, they can be 100 or 200% higher than the lowest company from one to the next. So it's important to get several quotes because you never know kind of where your existing company is going to land or where you could go.
Great. And I'm assuming, Josh, when you're going over those quotes, you're talking with them about what's the best option for each client based on their needs and the house and so forth?
Most of the time we'll look at bundling the auto insurance. That's usually the biggest discount. Age of the house matters too, but the auto is the biggest. And so we'll look at quoting both of them together to make sure that the package makes sense for the client. So even if the home quote may be a little like $100 higher than the lowest, it still may make more sense to put them both together with a certain carrier. So
makes perfect sense.
We talk you through it.
And we can, as your agent, help you with the age of the roof.
That's right.
Second most popular question that we get is roofs, speaking of which. I hear that there's multiple different options with that. Is there one that's better than the other? Can you tell us more about that?
Yep. Replacement cost is what you want. That's the big thing. I usually recommend for my clients to have a roofer go out and inspect it along with a home inspector. Home inspectors will speak to the condition of just kind of how much useful life they think is left. It's more of a guess. Roofers will go out and look for wind or hail damage for you, and then you can have the seller file that on theirs, or you can write it in the contract, something like that. But it can save you a lot of money in the long run, because if there is existing damage, then the new carrier could exclude that damage, or they could non-renew the policy right off the bat. So actual cash value is not what you want. They depreciate it based on the age and condition and all that. Some carriers, 15 years is typically that sweet spot. So over 15 years is when they'll put actual cash value on it, sometimes automatically. You may not know that. Some carriers will do replacement cost for the life of the roof, which is what you want. Is it worth paying $1,000 more in your home premium for it? Yeah, because it could save you $10,000, $15,000 on a roof claim. So
that's a substantial amount.
It's a lot. Yeah, it can make a big difference.
And I'm safe to assume, I'm very education-based, that again, you walk your clients through those two policies and what's going to be more advantageous.
This is the first question that we ask. Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. Well, guys, thank you so much for joining. Josh, thank you so much for spending time with us today. If you guys want to do a deeper dive into homeowners insurance, roofing questions, feel free to give me a call or call Josh directly. Again, Josh Bagby with Providence Insurance. Thank you guys so much. Make it a great day. Bye.